80 some whatever day in Florida. It's beautiful, cloud cover.
It's actually a very beautiful day for the end of July.
Oh, it's one of them sod trucks.
Yeah, I don't want to be in this lane behind this guy at all. But not at all. You know, you got your right turn signal on, sir.
Got your what?
You have your right turn signal on, newbie? I don't know where you're turning. But you've been turning right for quite a while.
Uh-huh. I was so interested and engulfed in that sod truck, and I totally wanted to say, go sod yourself, that I forgot that I was doing shit to my own self with my fucking signal.
Alright, sir. We have been following that sod truck for quite a while down this road, so.
Well, I'm staying in the right lane is what I'm telling everybody.
Yeah, I'm here, I'm committed.
I'm going right, everybody, sooner or later, in this right lane. I don't know.
And that would suck.
Yeah.
It would totally suck. Imagine that? That would be like the worst thing. It's like a spider when you're driving and the spider that comes from the visor. Oops.
Wow.
I did not mean to.
She's saying, get move on, bitch.
It's funny.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's nice and cool on my face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, if this lane is ending, I think construction, ain't it?
No. This says road work ahead. Like today when I was going to the beach, it was funny. They had that sign, men working. They had put a sign up, and then you drive by, and all the guys are standing there and drinking water.
Uh-huh. Well, the hottest part of the day is break time.
Well, yeah, this is like this is at 8:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, feels so nice.
Yes. Okay.
I'm thinking.
I don't know.
You heard that squeaking?
I did.
Yeah, that's my brain on think mode. It's actually saying, help me, help me.
Stay in your lane.
Yeah, you're gonna probably have to slow down a little bit. Oh, here's a rumble strip. Trying to slow people down because fucking
One lane ahead.
Fucking tree that fell down.
Be prepared to stop.
This guy's gonna set up a hot dog stand right there too while you wait. You can have yourself a hot dog.
Right? Lemonade stand. Get your hot one.
Lemonade.
There you go.
Refreshing drink. See, now that's the way to do it. If you're gonna be a fucking dude that does that type of stuff, I'm telling you. Let's see if I can get a picture of that.
We are going, honey.
Alright.
But I see what you're saying. That's the way to do it. Oh man, he's got it going on. Ha 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 ha. Good idea, dude.
That's the shit, man.
That is the smartest guy that does that job I've ever seen.
Look at these guys. They got a fucking tent over where they're working. Man, these fucking guys don't screw around. You're going to be a construction worker, you go down to work in Florida. This guy doesn't have a tent.
Dude, your friend's got to teach you out, man.
You got to get a tent, dude.
That's funny.
That other guy had it going on, man. That's the
That's too
shit.
bad you didn't take a picture of it. That's funny.
I tried to. It did click and give me the picture sign, so. Hey! You may now turn. See? There we go.
Yep.
That's all it needed. Needed my permission.
There you go.
I was like,
See?
now turn, and all of a sudden, booyah!
Right? Open this shit up. Let's just make it
Open
play.
it up.
Right?
Adrenaline's in the house. Oh, boy. Dude, what's up with that? He's got a... He cut the hole in it.
Wear the hat. He had to wear a hard hat. He must be allergic to the sun, though.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, that's probably what... I mean, he's wearing a long sleeve shirt and everything.
Well, that's
Some
one
people
of
are
them.
very sensitive to the sun.
That's that, what the fuck you want to call it? Those shirts that actually are cooler.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back for more.
Oh, yeah. We're going hunting. What was up with that? He's got his machete out.
I know.
I wonder what they're after.
Yep. I don't know.
That damn bobcat got my dog. I'm gonna hunt that motherfucker with this machete.
Did you see that bobcat that took that chicken out of the yard?
Yeah. Yeah, it actually jumped the fence, went and grabbed the guy's chicken and took off.
Yep.
Yeah.
Crazy.